The Philippines, a country full of beautiful beaches and delicious food. I adventured a historic Filipino town and found a hidden gem. Filipino culture is just amazing. What country should we try next?
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty and the crew back again with another vlog for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out, man. I got an interesting one in store for y'all today. But before we get into this, man, let the crew introduce themselves.
It's your boy Enno, back again. Y'all ain't seen me in a minute, but I'm back. What's up?
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's me, Mariah. I was here, but I'm back again.
Here we are about to try some genuine Filipino Pinoy food for the first time.
Man, I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe. We are here at a new place called Dollar Hits, and yes, you heard my brother, Planet. We are trying Filipino food, man. I'm excited, bro. Y'all ever try Filipino food? Nope.
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah, you have? Oh, but it's not Dollar Hits though, right?
It ain't Dollar Hits.
It ain't Dollar Hits, yeah. So I'm excited, bro. This place is called Dollar Hits Temple. It's over here by downtown LA. I'm representing downtown LA, so I'm excited to try this food. I never tried Filipino food, like he said, Pinoy, right? That's what they would say, right? Pinoy food. But I know people are cooking right now, and I think it's gonna be dope, man. So let's go ahead and try this food. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Sir.
I ain't never tried any Filipino food. This is the first time, bro. You know, this place looks nice. I think it's very representable. Yeah. How does it work?
You can start there, grab what you want, pay to the cashier,
You heard her, man. Let's do that. I think we go one item each, unless something we don't like, obviously.
I think we go one item each.
Yeah, that's crazy. Aluminum tray, $1. We got chicken hearts, chicken barbecue, and we also got chicken feet.
Sweet sausage?
Yeah, get it.
Grab a couple of those. Try a sweet sausage. This is very exotic, guys. I've never tried this before.
You want a hot dog? Any of y'all want a hot dog? Y'all want a glizzy?
Glizzy.
Glizzy gladiators? Won't be me though.
They got egg rolls back here.
Oh yeah, get like 5 of those, my boy. Get like 10 of those.
Lobster balls. You want to get the lobster balls?
Should I try it? You want me to try it?
Lobster balls and the glizzy, come on.
Alright, I'll try it.
I'm gonna lie to you, I'm gonna eat like 3 of these. Y'all don't even know. I don't hit the gym. Enno does. But I get more, you know, I got more muscle in them, fat-wise. You know? We got the dollar tray, man, as y'all could tell. It's looking good. It's a good day to try some Filipino food, you feel me? I'm excited, bro. There's a lot of different items in here. We even got lobster balls, so let's try it, bro. Come on, let's cash out.
Lobster balls.
Let's cash out, man, and let's go cook this up, man, for roast.
Are you eating banot?
What is that?
Viagra.
Viagra? What?
Yeah, the Viagra of the Philippines. There's a chicken embroider inside.
So it's
If you eat this, you're gonna energetic. That's why we call it Viagra.
I don't know if I want to do that right now. It's too early. It's too early. You heard that, by? And I went to the gym, so he's about to get some gains.
Yeah.
King Kong right here, my boy. You feel me? It's King Kong. Y'all don't even know. That's King Kong, bro.
I'm not King Kong. I'm just Enno.
This place looks really, really good, man. I ain't never been to a place like this, so it's different. Genuine.
You already tried the halo halo, so I mean, you might as well keep going with it, my boy.
All right, I'm gonna give y'all another taste test.
Yeah, let us know how it tastes.
I will. It's sweet. With this little candy that they have on top of it. And then it's icy. Too. Probably not the best thing to eat because it's cold right now, but it's smacking.
At this point, we don't even know what's what, but I do know that this is lobster balls. You feel me? So,
of course you know that one.
well, I mean, it's kind of the only one that's obvious. And I got the chicken feet. I think we're gonna need some sticks because we are not good at this.
I personally think the Filipino culture is so beautiful, and I think their food is so yummy and good. And if you haven't tried Filipino food, y'all should definitely try it. I give like 1,000 out of 10, bro.
Let's try some of this lobster ball.
Really? That's what you're going with first?
Well, I mean, it's something I never tried before.
Okay. Go.
It's really soft and chewy, and you know,
It's like a Hawaiian sausage. Like it has like a Hawaiian sauce to it, but it tastes fire.
The Very exotic, sweet, chewy, soft, and bomb.
I'm gonna try it.
You are?
Real.
Ooh, that's a different taste. That one had a different taste. Whoa. I could run a whole marathon with that juice right now.
There's like some kind of jelly in here. Tastes like boba, but
Is it
it's
boba?
not. No.
It looked like it though. I noticed that.
It's like a natural juice though.
It looks like Coca-Cola, but it's actually tasting very natural.
Very natural.
I'm gonna try this first though. It's meant to be cold. Look.
I burned my tongue.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try a piece of the chicken heart.
Like what Ino said, it's like a Hawaiian like sausage.
Yeah.
I don't know if a regular human heart is juicy, but this is juicy for a chicken. This is delicious, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's got a lot of different tastes. And,
Yeah,
you know, like we tried Indian food, you feel me, and it's different than Filipino for sure.
When I first tried the sausage, I am in love.
Let me take a bite of this, because I said I would. It's bones.
I told you. You thought I was playing. You're eating a chicken feet. Like you're gonna eat bones, bro. Come on.
I don't think that was cooked right. Oh my God, that is definitely balls.
Lobster's chewy.
Oh, I'm not a fan of it.
Come on.
She didn't like it. She didn't like it. It's a weird texture. I'm not gonna lie, yo.
Yeah, it's a texture.
I don't really like seafood, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications.
Yeah.
Oh, I tried some kind of like liver.
Let me see. Show in the camera.
I'm just not used to it.
You want to take one more bite for the subscribers?
No. Don't make me do that.
Take one more for the subscribers.
I'm just not used to it, guys. Here, immediately take a bite of this. Take a bite of it. Yeah.
No. I got it.
But you know, I'm sure it makes you stronger though. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, exactly. It's gonna make you stronger.
This is definitely the food is definitely good. I'll tell you that. Although the worst part is that they got Bill at 10 because it's super cold. I do not like the fist balls. Pause on that. Personally, for me, for drinks, it's actually really good. But I think it'll be better if we get it in the summer because right now it's like cold, of course. I give this as a 9.5 out of 10. Great experience, great service. So come here.
We had dollar hits, y'all. This meets the standard, y'all. Like this food was legit. The chicken barbecue, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it was some sausage that was fire. The food looked good and everything was amazing. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for sure.
A real original experience. I'm coming back here, not in the nighttime maybe in the summertime. I really like this. It contrasts with the meat we ate. It's kind of like honey glazed potato ball of some sort. I think it's delicious. I will definitely be coming back very soon.
First time ever trying Filipino food. I demolished it. It's definitely got a 9.5 to 10 out of 10 rating. It's called Dollar Hits and Temple Street. Customer service is also 20 out of 10. You know, that's nothing new, you feel me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and say thank you to all the workers. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we will definitely be coming here often.
I cannot wait your vlog, okay?
Thank you so much. Yeah, you guys, man, show them some love over here. You know, they deserve all the love in the world.
Thank you.
So, you know, you guys better come sell them out, man.
Yeah.
All this needs to be gone by the end of next month. Filipino food, amazing. You know,
Everything was great. I loved it. Great food, everything. Great service, everything. I loved it.
Great culture also.
Mr. Earth,
Check out Dollar Hits, man. It's here in a historic Filipino town. It's basically the center, you know, the heart of LA. But the food is genuinely delicious. I would come back again.
it is really cold, y'all. You feel me? We are in LA. You guys might not think it's cold. To us, it's cold. You feel me? We are from here. We out here, man, trying all the food in the world. Let us know what should be next down in the comments. You feel me? Like I said, turn on post notifications.
Turn that on.
Y'all can be on top of this stuff, man. But hey,
what are you
Dollar
doing?
Hits from
Turn it on.
from the Philippines, man. And
Like,
from
comment,
America,
and subscribe.
and the whole entire world.
And share, too.
Your boy Ino and Mariah and your boy Planet, Krusty Vlogs.